So hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video I'm gonna talk about seaplanes and set views. You can find the seaplanes right here. So basically what seaplane is, this one, the grid, the one you saw right here. What this will do is, if you draw anything, like for example if you draw a curve, it's automatically drawn on the seaplane. Okay, so we can change CPlane as per our need. I'm gonna explain that how we can do that. Before getting started, I'm just gonna unhide the 3D model which I have downloaded from SketchUp warehouse so that you can understand easily. So okay, here you can see the CPlane options. So the first one is, we can set CPlane wherever we want. For example, if I have a box right here, now the C-plane is here. If I want to change it on the top of this box, just click on this set C-plane origin. Then you will have this point, so you can place it here. Now you can see the C-plane is in top of the box. If you draw anything now, this will automatically sit on the top of the box. Delete the box. I will show you on the building block. So if I want to draw anything on the roof, I will change the C-plane to the roof, so that if I draw anything, for example let's say rectangle, if I draw a rectangle, I can draw it on the roof, exactly on the roof. So that's how C-plane will basically work. The first one is set C-plane origin, we can place it anywhere. And the second one is, we can place on the elevation part. For example, if I want to make it on here, we can change the C-plane to this part. And the third one is object. We can set the C-plane according to an object. For example, if I want to let's click on this, then select the object. That's it, I have selected a line from that. Now it's aligned to that column. Next one, which is surface. You can also place it on a surface. Let's select this, and if I want to set it on this surface, just click on the surface. It will show like this. Then click anywhere, enter. Now you can see the C-plane is on this surface. On a complex project, this will be more helpful to make your workflow easy. And if you want to rotate this C-plane, you can use this rotate C-plane. Just click somewhere and just normally if you rotate any object just like that, you can rotate this C-plane. And these things we will not use them most, so I'm gonna skip that. And here we have the general C-plane. It's like a preset. By using this, we can set the C-plane to the view. If I click this, my C-plane will align to my view. If I change here and click this, the C-plane will accordingly change it to the view. And the next one is top. This is the default one, and then we can change it to bottom, and here front side, and this one is for back side, and right and left. Just always place it on the top. When you need it, just change it accordingly. So yeah, that's it. That's basically about CPlane. Now let's see about set views. Here in this toolbar you can see this pan. This is generally we can pan the viewport, and then we will have this rotate, which is orbit, and then zoom. These things doesn't matter that much. You can see the symbol of cars here. This is top view. If you click on this, this will automatically change the viewport into top, and this one is bottom, front, right, left, back, and perspective. But if you don't want to change the, let's say for example, if you don't want to change the viewport, you want to stay in this perspective viewport, but you want to look the side angle, which means the left side, then you can use this one here. Here it says like front view of CPlane. Just click on this, you will see the front view, but still you are in the perspective view. In the perspective viewport you can change the views only. How this will help is, here you can see the named views. We can save the views by using this named view panel. Just click on this one. If you click on here, it will appear a box something like this in the left side, which means in the right side. In here you can set the views. For example, if I want to have a view like this, I want to save a view, then just click on this camera icon. It will ask the name. Just type something. I'm gonna rename as view 1. Now it's capture the view here, and I want to have a view like this, and again you can click this icon. Now change the name to view 2. Okay, and one more view, like for a front view like this. Again click this icon, change the name. Now we have captured the views. If I want to go to the first view, just double click on this. We will automatically, it will show the view we saved. If I want to go to the view 2, just double click on this. Same as this, double click on this. This will be more helpful when we work on the rendering process. If you want to update this view, for example, let's say I just want to have a view like this, just click on this view 1 and just click again this icon, and now it's in the view 1. You don't have to change the name, and press OK. It will ask to replace the view. Just click yes. Now you can see we have updated the view 1. And also if you want to delete, just click on this one. It will delete the view. And if you want to make a copy, for example for the view 2, I just want to make a copy of it. Just click here, this one, copy, and here paste. This will make a copy of the view. So that's it basically about setting views. And here another one cool thing, here we have this turntable. By using this we can rotate the object. By using this slide we can like change the speed of the rotation. And then we have this isometric toolbar. By using this we can set the isometric views. For example, just click on this. It will give the isometric view of northwest, and here is northeast and southwest and all those things. If you want to go back, just click on this perspective view. So that's it about setting views. And let's see about this visibility. Visibility is a basic thing which we can hide and unhide objects and lock and unlock objects. I'll show you. So if I want to hide these trees, select the object and you can click here, hide object. It will hide. And if you want to unhide this, just click on this show objects. It will show. And another cool thing, the important thing, which is this one, isolate objects. So I want to isolate this single tree, just use this isolate objects. You can also use, you can also type isolate. This will isolate the objects. To go back, just click on this show object. Same as this, we have this lock. If I want to lock this tree, just click on this and click this lock. Then we cannot select this tree. To unlock, just click on this unlock. Same as isolate, we have this isolate lock. This is also a very useful command. Just type isolate lock. If I want to isolate these trees, just select the trees and enter. Now everything is locked except the tree. If I want to work only in the tree, we can use this method and work on the tree. When the work is finished, just click this unlock objects. And also, if you have a clipping plane, let's create a clipping plane. Clipping plane vertical. You can either type the clipping plane or you can choose it from here. So I'm just gonna create it for like this. So here I have the clipping plane. So if I want to keep this clipping plane but show the unclipped objects. So in simple terms, if I want to disable this clipping plane, you can just click this. Then you will not be the clipping objects, but you will have this clipping plane. If you want to enable, just move the cursor here and right click on this. This will make the clipping plane works. So that's it about CPlane set views and visibility. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you on the next video.